Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of creative question answer 2 from chapter 3. I am repeating, our today's topic is creative question answer 2 from chapter 3. This is our fourth lecture and fourth SW. I am repeating, this is our fourth lecture and fourth SW. Students, in our earlier class, that means in lecture 3, we have discussed about creative question 1 from chapter 3, and today we'll discuss about creative question 2. Take your notebook and writing elements for today's class. We'll begin our class. Look here. This is creative question 2 from chapter 3. Here you can see we write art, and from art we find two parts. First we find color, line, form, texture, and in second one we find proportion, balance, harmony, rhythm, emphasis. Students, we have learned in our previous class about the summary of chapter 3, and there we learned about the principles of art. We know there are 5 principles of art, and they are proportion, balance, harmony, rhythm, and emphasis. Now you have to answer these questions. Our first question is, what colors of paint do you need to make green color? Students, do you know what color of paint we need to make green color? Yes, I hope you know the answer. Yellow and blue colors are needed to make green color. I'm repeating, yellow and blue colors are needed to make green color. That means when we'll mix yellow and blue, we'll find green color. Now come to number B. The question is, what do you understand by fabric texture? Students, look here. Fabric texture is a tremendous art. It includes arrangement, combination, and premolation of different types of yarn, color division, matching of yarn type and width check, print, stripe, or simply single color attire. There are millions of thread combinations, and there are diversified uses also. So this is about fabric texture. You can write like this, or with the help of your textbook you can write the answer. Now come to number C. Suppose you enjoyed a drama at your school ground at last week. Make a report on the art direction of the drama. Students, here think that you have enjoyed a drama at your school, and now you have to make a report on the art direction of the drama. Look, a local cultural organization staged the drama Raktakto Prantor, the unique creation of Muni Chaudhuri. I enjoyed the whole drama with utmost attention. The audience was sitting spellbound. There was pin drop silence. To speak about the art direction, I will first mention that there had been no change of lighting all through the drama. It is a severe fallacy. Light plays a vital role in representing the sequences. I think the director had forgotten the matter. Besides, the background scenery used in the stage did not resemble the subject matter of any scene or act. I hope they will realize all their blunders. Students, we know that there are 5 principles of art, and they are proportion, balance, harmony, rhythm, emphasis. And when we want to do any work or art, we need to combine all these. When all these are together, our work will be successful. So when we'll stage a drama, there need a stage, there we need lighting, background scenery, there we need scene or act. So if there is any lackings, our work will be unsuccessful. So to make success, we need to follow this. And you can write like this the answer. Now come to number D. Art means visual music. Define the statement. Students, you can write the answer like this. Music is the language of soul. So is art. Music is the sum of tone, verse, rhyme, rhythm, harmony, balance, proportion, and the accord of the musical instruments. It is a splendid synthesis of freedom and grammar. If music could be visualized, it would be the greatest art irrespective of time and space. Life itself is an art, but it's not an endowment. It is to be created through each and every situation. Eating, walking, speaking, even sitting, all need to be artistic. Art resembles all the formative aspects of music. Students, we know that music is the language of soul, so is art. So, if you think or if you want to make a music, there must be the togetherness of tone, verse, rhyme, rhythm, harmony, balance, proportion, and must be musical instruments. Without this, a music can't be fulfilled. So like this, music is fully get freedom and no grammatical rules. So if music could be visualized, it would be the greatest art irrespective of time and space. So we need art in our every space, whether we eat, we walk, we speak or sit. You know, there are manners, lot of manners. A child never know how to eat, how to walk, how to speak or how to sit. But when we grow up, gradually we know how to eat, how to walk, how to speak to others, and how to sit with manner. So all these are artistic. Art resembles all the formative aspects of music. Students, these answers are for our creative question 2. In our earlier class, that means lecture 3, we have elaborately discussed creative question 1. Students, now it's time to your homework. Your homework will be creative question 1. Your homework will be creative question 1. ABC. I'm repeating, your homework will be creative question ABC. That means number A, what is the source of light? Number B, what is an interior decoration? Number C, on which factor has Saleha given emphasis in decorating her room? Explain. Students, with the help of your previous class or lecture 3, you can do your homework. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 4 and homework number is also 4. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You have to submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can do this. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SP marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.